Next, we want to look at the method of using conversion factors. Remember that in lesson 1, here at the beginning of the class, we're not really interested in you being able to convert centimeters to inches. We're really more interested in you learning this method. So be sure that you're learning this way of setting up a problem. Okay, so standard method, I'm going to set it up like this. This is a big fraction, and everything will be multiplied across the top and divided by the things that are on the bottom. If you have more than one number given in your problem statement, you want to look for a number that is just one number in one unit. Do you see how these two kind of go together? Two numbers, 2 units. Don't start with those. You want to start with a number that's one number, 1 unit, and that will be the 10 centimeters. So I'll put 10 centimeters here. And then whatever unit I have in this position, I want to have that same unit down here because I want it to cancel. With one on top and one on bottom, it will cancel. And then up here, I will want to put the unit that I'm going to next. I'm going to go to inches next. Okay, so I fill in my units first, and then I fill in the numbers that go here. I need to make sure I make a statement so that the top equals the bottom. In other words, the 1 goes with the inch. 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. And looks like that's all I need to do. And so I'm just dividing 10. We can skip the 1 because it doesn't do anything. 10 divided by 2.54, and I get 3.94 inches. Notice that my centimeters canceled. Let's try one more of these. Okay, in this problem, I find the number that is just one number, 1 unit to start with that. That's the 2 grams. I'm sorry, 2 pounds. And so I need pounds here because I want these to cancel. And then I ask myself, what do I want to go to next? Well, I would like to have an answer of kilograms, but I don't know if I put kilograms here. I don't know the numbers here without looking them up to say how many pounds in a kilogram. So I'm not going to go to kilograms next. I'm going to use this conversion factor. I'm going to go to grams next. And so I just need to make sure the 1 stays with the pound, the 454 stays with the grams. Okay, so right now if I solve this problem, the pounds would cancel and my answer would be in grams. But I don't want grams, so I'm going to do another step. Put grams down here so it'll cancel. And I'm trying to get to kilograms, so I'll put that up there. And then I need to fill in numbers here to make a true statement. Most people use 1,000 somewhere. 1,000 grams and 1 kilogram. Be careful when you fill in those numbers. Sometimes people get those upside down, so think about that as you go. When I put this in my calculator, let's see, my grams cancel. I'm going to just put in 2 times 454 divided by 1,000. Very good. So there's a couple of examples. Let's, and this is covered in lesson 1 in your lecture part of the class.